Hello and thanks for visiting. I'm Mercy with DiscountLowVoltage.com, and today we're taking a look at an RG6 coax cable. Now, we recently spent some time with a contractor and an engineer from DirecTV regarding their D2 Advantage technology and trying to figure out what coax will work with that technology, and we narrowed it down to this. So if you're looking into that type of technology, the D2 Advantage, check out our blog for more information on it. Now, in the meantime, let's go ahead and check this cable out. Now, this Medium Max RG6U coax cable has an 18 gauge solid bare copper center conductor. You also have an aluminum braid, and this cable is sweep tested to 3 gigahertz. Now, you also have a countdown footage markings from 1000 to 0. Now, this is a pull box, which will make it easier to install over the spools. Available in a black or white jacket. Made in the USA. And plenum cable also available. Now, you can go ahead and order this online along with fiber cable, patch panels, pretty much anything networking. Questions, call us. Number here is 888-797-3697.